Hey everybody, I want to show you this awesome gadget here. This is a wireless CarPlay or Android Auto device. It has a 7-inch touchscreen and it can be mounted to any vehicle and is powered by a USB port. So in the back, we've got USB-C. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in to power here. We'll make sure everything works before I install it. And I'll go over some basic functions. So powering it up, we'll set the date and time first. Gone ahead and done that. And then we go straight into the menu. So I'm going to pull up my phone and look for Bluetooth devices. Again, this can be wired or wireless. Here's the name of it right here. Just click on it. We'll pair it. It asks for some permissions to access contacts. I want that because it makes using Android Auto with this phone very much easier. And that's all you have to do. I'll go back to my home screen on my phone. And I've got Android Auto up and ready now on the device. So I've got my big map here. I can click the bottom. This is all Android Auto features. And so I can go to the menu to get out of this. I go here and the other features become available here. So you can see you can use it with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Apple AirPlay, and Miracast, which allows you to duplicate your phone screen right here on this screen. I can go to the settings here. I can access Wi-Fi functions, Bluetooth. You can connect this to your in-car Bluetooth as well so that the audio output from this device will play through your car Bluetooth speakers. And I can also turn on the auxiliary output, which is a 3.5mm jack in the back. You can plug that into your auxiliary port of your vehicle as well and play it through your car speakers. There's my date and time, display and brightness, volume settings. This also has the ability to have a backup camera attached. You can choose different formats. You can have the assist lines on and off, and then you can also set the individual parameters for how you want that to look and customize it for your particular vehicle and its dimensions. From the home screen here as well, I'm going to go into all of the apps that are on this unit. You can see the ones I mentioned before, but you can also play videos in MP3 or MP5 format. So music there as well. You can also use an FM transmitter. So if your vehicle does not have an auxiliary input or Bluetooth built into it, you can tune your FM stereo to this same frequency that you set here, and it will broadcast the audio output from this device into your car stereo for you. So multiple ways to do that. On the unit itself, the base here comes with a sticky pad, and it also comes with a replacement for that. So you've got the ability to mount, dismount it. There's some screws here if there's another mount that you want, but this is really easy and convenient. Flip this switch back, and then that releases the ball, so you can swivel and tilt it any which way you would like. And when you've got it in position, you can lock it down again. On the back, there's all the connections, so you can have USB direct connection to your phone. You don't have to use wireless Android Auto or AirPlay, CarPlay. You've got the auxiliary out, a reset button. There's a mini type USB for connecting the rear view camera and your power in. It comes with a very long cord, typical car power adapter here, USB-C again, or you can power it with a different USB-C if you like. And then on the top, there is an SD card adapter slot. It will hold up to 128 gigabyte card, and you can use that to record your footage from your camera or play videos and music from again. So altogether, this is a great unit. I am excited to have this. One of my cars has a basic factory stereo system in it without Bluetooth and everything. So I'm gonna go out to that vehicle and we'll get this installed and set up and try it out. Okay, out here in the vehicle, it comes with this tool. This is a panel tool, so I can lift up and get access to hide the power cable. I'm gonna mount it right here on the dashboard. So with everything connected up, I am gonna go ahead and hide my cable behind the trim, and we'll get this installed permanently. All right, with the unit powered on, I'm gonna find a station here. There's not a good radio station in my area right between here, so I'm gonna try 89.1. We'll set this to the same frequency. You can hear how that goes totally quiet. So now my unit is connected right to the FM stereo of my vehicle, and I'm going to play some music. That's really great quality. It comes through in stereo. Very happy. So with that, we are ready to go for a ride. Hey Google, call 206-658-6435.
Sure. Calling 206-658-6435. Overcast 8,000. Temperature 10 Celsius.
So that's pretty much it. This is super easy to install. This adds a ton of functionality to my otherwise factory stock radio that doesn't have all the smarts and gadgets of the newer vehicles. And I am super happy with this. It's going to be great.